Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 3rd, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 3, Little by Little. In our last video, we have discussed this poem. Now, today, we will start our work in workbook. So, here are some questions from this poem. So, we will try to give their answers. So, first one is answer the questions. Name the tree that an acorn grows into. So, answer is the acorn grows into an oak tree. Where is the acorn hidden? So, answer is the acorn hidden deep in the earth. Next is, what things does a seed need to grow? So answer is, a seed needs air, water and soil to grow. What grows under the soil? So root grows under the soil. And what grows above the soil? So shoot. Shoot grows above the soil. Next is, write the describing words from the poem. In this poem, some words given with their adjectives means describing words. So you have to find their answer. So bed. So mossy bed. In the earth. Deep in the earth. Root. Thread-like look. Shoot. So tiny shoot. Branches. Slender branches. And oak. Mighty oak. Seventh one, find out the opposites of the following words from the poem. Here are some words, you have to write their opposite. Night, day, upward, downward, down, up, near, far, narrow, wide. Question number 8. What do trees give us? So trees gives us many things, but here you have to write any 5 things. So I have written here fruit, fresh air, medicines, wood and vegetables. Now question number 2, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. So first one is, an acorn is the fruit of the taste tree. So answer is oak. An acorn is the fruit of oak tree. Where is the acorn hidden? In the tree, above the earth, in the seed, deep in the earth. So which is the right answer? Yes, D. Deep in the earth. So here we write letter D and upside A. Okay, third one. What does a seed need to grow? What does a seed need to grow? Options are tree and leaves, water and sunlight, soil and roots, soil and sunlight. So usually seed need air, water and soil to grow, but here we write water and sunlight. So here letter B. Fourth one, what grows under the ground? So options are shoot, branches, roots or leaves. So here answer roots. Roots grows under the ground. So here letter C. What comes out above the grounds? Roots, shoot, sheet, soil. So shoot. So here letter B. Shoot comes out above the ground. Sixth one, what appear on the branches? Seeds, shoot, leaves, roots. So answer is leaves. So here letter C. Okay, now seventh one, which word in the poem rhymes with say? So options are date, due, day, away. So answer is date, shade, date. So here letter A. Next is, which word in the poem rhymes with away? Options are due, date, shade, day. So answer is D. Away, day. Here letter D in this box. Which word in the poem rhymes with grew? away, dead, due, day. So here answer is dew. Grew, dew. So here C. Which word in the poem rhymes with root? Wide, shoot, dew, year. So which is the right answer? Here, shoot. Root, shoot. So here letter B. Which word in the poem rhymes with appear? So wide, year, pride, shoot. So which sound same? Yes, year. Appear, year. So here answer B. Which word in the poem rhymes with pride? Options are wide, appear, root, year. So which is the right answer? Yes, pride, wide. So here answer A. Okay, now question number 3. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. So here trees picture given. So look this picture. So in this picture the trees gives us fruits, vegetables, birds can make nests on it, medicine, and this tree is happy tree. And this side this tree not looking good because we are harming these trees, and by cutting their barks for making rubbers and tires, by cutting the trees to make a new house, we are cutting their branches for wood. So let's see next. So first is, what do trees gives us? So in this picture we can say that trees gives us fresh air to breathe, fresh fruit and vegetables and medicines. Here you can write your own answers. And this next is, how do we harm trees? So we are harming by cutting their barks for making rubbers and tires, by cutting the trees to make new houses. We pollute the environment by burning the leaves of the trees. Okay, next is, write about 5 sentences on trees using the words given in the box. So here some words given and you have to write about tree. So shelter, net, wood, fruit, medicines, fresh air. So here you can write, trees are our best friend. Trees are very useful to us. Trees give us fruits and medicines. We also get wood and paper from trees. Trees gives us shelter. Birds build their nests in the trees. Trees gives us fresh air to breathe. We should save trees and we should plant more trees.